Okay, let's take it from that channel to Mr Chippie channel. Make sure we've got all these loads of knobs in some sensible position. Tango 21 test.
Give me a sec.
Roger.
Right, I'm ready.
Excellent, I'll plug my extension speaker in then.
Roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
And on this set we select it from the front panel. Best set that for, that's something I think is fantastic. Tango 21 now on the extension speaker.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger. So if you saw the repair to this, it was between channels it was so off frequency with the Duff crystal, only doing 2.5 watts because of a Duff driver transistor. The receive wasn't so bad because I've pulled it up nicely.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. That's Woody's lay-by and the field of whatever's growing in it, etc.
Roger Dodger, all done.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger Dodger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger, live. Got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger on that. It's got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
I'm on the Binatone 5-star from 1981 using Cybernet 134 chassis. The radio is a full 4 watt output. I'm on a standard replacement line cable.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger, Doctor.
Passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Grayleys turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you very well at the 5 mile point. So on this Binatone 5-star, it's doing 4 amps. I'll start again. It's doing 4 watts, it's going 1.45 amps. We're now going to low power, which I've set to 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power, doing 400 milliwatts. There we are, back to 4 watts. Over.
Yep, you were well received on 4 watts. A little bit noisy tonight on low power, but there you go.
Yep, excellent. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, they changed quite a bit. 145.9 petrol and 154.9 diesel.
Wow, that is a change. Wish we'd gone there when we went to Lincolnshire. Well, it's been an excellent test, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going over Rossby Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, it's changed quite a bit. 145.9 petrol and 154.9 diesel.
Wow, that is a change. Wish we'd gone there when we went to Lancashire. Right, that's been an excellent test, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Again, it's best of the best, that. Absolutely fantastic. We'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like. I'll also use his standard replacement mic which came with it.
Tango 21 testing the Binatone 5-star with our standard replacement mic into the Midlands M6900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll pop it onto the low power. There we go, that's just there as a hum test. And then back to normal, and there we are. Now I'm going to swap it for the customer's own microphone. Tango 21 now with the customer's own microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think we're going to be doing mystery benefactor Alan's